Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, Stock Options Trading Academy. Frain's here as well. Good morning, guys. Just wanted to start this live video a little bit early this morning. We got into a high-risk Amazon earnings trade yesterday, and Amazon's a little bit lower this morning. I'm going to be looking probably at about a $5,000, maybe $7,000 loss on open here. So the game plan is I'm going to be looking for some day trades today. We're having that retracement like we have with our trade plan back to one of those supports at either the 10 or 20 SMA here. So we're going to be going over some charts this morning. We're going to be showing what we're looking for here with our longer term trades. And if need be, we're going to be looking for some hedges going forward here if we see this market continue to drop here. Because we got big news there. Trump is starting with his tariffs again with China over this virus here. So we're seeing the Dow down about 500 points here in the pre-market hours. We got about 3 minutes until opening bell. But I wanted to make sure you guys were updated, understand what the game plan is. Our longer term trades, this is why we got those June expirations. We wanted that little bit of extra time here to possibly have this retracement back down to the 10-day or the 20-day simple moving average, and then we'll be looking to add to our positions for the June expirations as we get that confirmed bounce with our trade plan off that either 10-day or 20-day simple moving average as we use the support. So we're going to take a look, see if that see if we could find some opportunities there to add, or if we need to have some hedges maybe for next week, just like we did with the SPY and the diamond puts a couple of weeks ago, and that really helped us out well with those hedges. We'll see what the market's doing. I don't think this is going to be a long-term thing. I think Trump's just getting a little upset with this virus thing.
Exactly.
But we got 2 minutes until opening bell here. I wanted you guys to know today the game plan, guys, we're going to be looking for some day trades. I want to find some good day trade setups. We're going to be waiting, watching for those movers. I have I told Efrain here this morning, I said, look at those scanners today. I said, let's find some big breakouts, breakdowns, either something in breakout momentum, breakdown momentum. Let's find something we can trade today as it's options expiration day. We can find some really great values today as there's no extrinsic value. Time value's decayed. We can find some good setups. Get in early and let that ride in the breakout momentum or breakdown momentum cycle today. So that's what we're going to do today with day trades. And then in the afternoon session, we're going to see how the markets are reacting and see if we need to hedge our long June expos, going forward here for next week. If we do, we'd probably get some puts for next week's expo. But like I said, I don't think that's going to be necessary. Here we go, guys. 9:29. Markets opening in 1 minute. Let's get to the charts here. And if you guys have questions, please let us know. Good morning, Antonio Sanchez, FN Kratos, Vincenzo Fiacco, Avilio Rodriguez. Good morning, guys. Here we go. Let's have a great day today, guys. We're taking a look over here. Visa looks like it's going to retrace back down to that 10. We might be picking that up on the bounce there off that 10-day SMA. We're going to be keeping an eye on that. And here we go, guys. Opening bell down 6,000. And that's basically from that Amazon trade that I did. I always like being open, honest with you guys, showing you guys everything we do. There's no other traders that does that out there. Here we go. We are down. You can see $7,572 today, right now. And that's mostly from the 3,000. Now we're only down about 6,500. But we're going to look to capitalize on that today. Let's take a look at the diamond chart over here, DIA. ExxonMobil's looking good for a good swing trade, I think, for the May 15th expo. I think we might be getting into ExxonMobil. Good morning, Gio Feliz, Matthew Young. Good morning, guys. Alrighty, so take a look here at the Diamond ETF. Now, what do you guys see on the Diamond ETF here? Take a look at this chart quick. We always give the markets the first 15 minutes of the day here to see what we're going to do. Now, look at this. Here's the breakout momentum cycle. Okay, we're retracing down to that 10, broke out, retraced down to that 10, broke out. Right now, we're laying at the 10 here. So it's going to be really important to see if we climb off the lows today or if we're going to continue to get down to the next support area, which is about Dow 23,000. So we got to keep an eye on that because that could be a further 1,000-point drop from where we're at right now. So like I said, if we could hold above that 10-day, I think the markets could get a nice pop next week, especially after the economy's opening back up across the country. I think that's positive news. I think that's something investors are going to look forward to, seeing those businesses open back up and, you know, money coming back into those registers there, especially with retail. Retail's been hurting so hard. But diamond chart here, like I said, guys, let's keep an eye on that. You can take a look at the today 1 minute chart here, see if we're in BDM. Pretty flat here on the open. We're climbing a little bit from opening bell here. Visa, we can take a look at the today 1 minute chart. Visa's climbing here from the open here as well. It's only 2 minutes into the day, so we're going to keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on the markets for the first 15 minutes, and then we're going to be looking for some movers so we can make some day trades here.
CNBC.
Visa's still on the climb there from the lows. I was thinking about entering a Visa trade here, guys. I think Visa is a good day trade, to be honest with you. Let's take a look at the option chain. It's a little early with my trading plan and trading strategy, but we could get an eye here and see what's going on. Let's take a look at Visa option chain. Andrew Richardson says gold. Gabe Santiago from Fresh and Healthy Meals says Walmart now doing 2-hour express deliveries. Wow, that's pretty neat. Look at Visa continuing to break out there, guys. The May 1st Expo, the 76. We'd probably have to go with the 75, 77.50. That's looking great there. Look at that, from 174. I mean, she was just at 174. She's now at 176. That climbed $2 in 3 minutes there. So if you're taking a look at the option chain here, you know, the 177.50s are going for about $1.16. We could keep an eye on that. I could see that getting up to that 177.50, which is right at around the 10-day simple moving average, and that can make a quick gain there. So keep an eye on that. Visa's down $2.25 now, 1.27%. Now we're only down $5,900 for the day, so that's not too bad there. Better than the 7,700 that was before. And this is the retracement period of our trade plan here, which is totally normal. Now what we're going to be doing is adding to some positions once we see that bounce off the SMAs, and that's really important you guys see that. And if we see the market continuing to break down, that's when we're going to get those hedges with some puts on either the diamond, SPY, or Qs. And now see what's going to happen there. Those positions, like those hedges, that's going to be a shorter time frame trade against our longer term calls. So if we have most of our trades here are now for the June Expo, right? So the June expiration, if we have the June expiration, the June calls, we're going to be getting the puts for next week's Expo. A short-term drop here. We want to capitalize on a short-term drop if we see it happening. I don't think we are. I think we're going to continue to rise from here off this 10-day simple moving average with the diamond and the Qs and all that. But if we do, like I said, we get into those puts short-term. We're holding our long-term calls as the economy's opening up because we're still bullish now. I think we've come off our lows. We're continuing to climb. We're just having a little bit of a retracement today. Look at Visa here getting up to that 177 now. She's continuing to climb. We were just looking at this 177.50 call. It was $1.05. Now it's at $1.46. That's a quick like 30%, 40% gain there just watching this option chain here on Visa. I'm going to recover from this 62.85 I'm down right now. Be looking for some day trades. Now you can see Visa getting up to that 10-day simple moving average. It's all green candles. It's been breakout momentum here. As you can see, it's green candle with the body above the previous candle's body. This is breakout momentum. Now we're getting up to that 10-day simple moving average on a today 1 minute chart, which is a day trade chart for Visa, and we're going to see what it does. Usually it gets up to that 10. It'll fail, head lower if it's BDM. If it's breakout momentum, it'll struggle at resistance for a little bit. We'll see that breakout, and then we could enter into our trade and do some day trades there. So keep an eye on that and see what we're looking for. Carnival Cruise Line. Now, see, Diamond, it has that first candle below the previous one so far. So let's see what that does. That's important. Keep an eye on the Diamond. All right, Carnival Cruise Line's finally getting a pop here. That was down about 8% this morning in the pre-market hours. It's getting up to that 10. Here's another perfect chart as an example, guys. I want you guys to understand what's going on right here. As you can see, we have breakout momentum. We're retracing down to that 10 now. Carnival Cruise Line's at the highs of the day, so it's a nice little retracement here. And now next week, I'm expecting a continued breakout and break above that 1750. And with Carnival Cruise Line, we have the October 16, 2020 20 strike call, and it got about a $6,000 trade on that. And that's looking great. Now take a look at Visa, exactly what we were talking about. Getting up to that 10-day, acting as resistance. It's failing at it right now. We got to see a breakout for markets to turn around and have a reversal today from the lows.
After that $2 per share offer, that Golf Sandy uniform Michael.
3M. Take a look at 3M. It's at the 10-day simple moving average now. I could possibly see it, like I said earlier, getting down to 145 and then having another nice big breakout here. You know, it's at the 10 right now. Let's see it have a breakout next week. If it fails to break out, we'll be looking to exit that trade. But 3M, it's right at support now. If we get a green confirmation candle on Monday or Tuesday, that's when I'm going to be adding to our 3M trade. And there's a reason why we got those expirations. It's really important. Hey, good morning, Tim Thomas, Captain Thomas, Scott Harris. Good morning. Let's see, mRNA, Moderna. Moderna, it's at the lows of the day today. It's getting up to, it got up to that 10. It's failed. It's coming down. It's at the lows of the day. As you can see with Visa as well. I want to see that break above 176 on Visa, and I'd probably enter there. So let's see if it gets up to that 10 and could finally break above it on Visa. I'm looking for some day trades now, guys. So let's get some day trades in. A lot of you guys are saying you're wearing your shirts you got. We got our BCA shirts. Post your shirts.
Post them.
We'll send some more out to you guys. We got like 300 shirts here, so
yeah, send those reviews.
Guys, look at Visa. Visa's breaking that 10 right now, so keep an eye on that. Let's put this back on the Diamond ETF and the Qs here and see what's going on. Diamond ETF, it's still holding that 10 SMA really well there. Still following our trade plan, and you guys know our trade plan. It's just discipline, patience, watching for that 10 SMA here, see if we're going to break above it. Visa, today 1 minute chart, still struggling at that 10 there. Watch it, because once we get a confirmed breakout and a candle above that 176.50, I think we're going to have a nice breakout on Visa and something we could possibly trade. Omar Ahmed says, good morning, my first time tuning in.
Facebook running.
Welcome with you. Welcome aboard. Facebook's running, they said. Oh, take a look at Facebook, 20505. That might be a good swing trade for next week there.
Apple running.
Apple's running. Tech's taking off now. Let's see, is Amazon running? Amazon's going to be a nice one to
we
play
got a turn.
Let's see, Amazon. I'd love to see Amazon start to climb here. I think we can make a nice day trade on Amazon. It's down 5.7%. I want to look at Amazon because I think that's got the most power here to come back, especially as people come around here. I mean, think about it. If people... what do you think here? I changed the view here, so we're on now. What do you think about, I mean, look at Amazon. It's down 6% right now. If we capture a quick 1% of the underlying stock move there with options, that's going to be over 100% return. So I'm thinking about looking at Amazon here for a nice day trade today. We could probably pick something up. I mean, they're still crazy expensive, though. Look at how much they are. But if you remember, that's what we did, 2 weeks ago on Amazon? Last week was Facebook and Zoom on a Friday. The week before that, it was Amazon, right?
Let's see. We're headhunting right now.
$23.50. I think I could jump in this and make some really good profits. Do I want to do that? I'd really rather see it break that 10 SMA first here. If you're taking a look here. Yeah, Visa's going to break out. That's going to have that 1020 cross. That might get up to 180 today on Visa. I want to capitalize on Amazon today, down over 6%. I think we could make some quick money on Amazon, but there's some other opportunities coming up here. Visa's getting up to that 20. I'm watching Amazon. If Amazon could break above, let's say 230, 2336, that's an 11-point climb. Let's put the delta on these option chains here so you guys can see. I mean, it's Options Expo. Take a look at Visa here, getting up to that 20 right now. That might be taking off. That 1020 cross is coming up. Look at Visa. You already had that MACD. You already got a nice entry here. You got the first candle above the 10 SMA entirely. Big breakout. That first candle above that 20, that's a good entry point right there. Now take a look. Amazon. Let's see. Delta, add, boom. There we go. We got our deltas now on our option chain. Let's take a look here at the May 1st strike. I think Amazon's at the lows and it's going to break out here. I'm thinking of what I want to do.
Facebook still running.
Yeah,
dropping down a little
Amazon
bit on
I think has the biggest opportunity though here for us.
All right, Amazon watch.
Amazon's getting up to that 10 right now.
It's way down now. Getting around $1.65, now $1.49.
Alrighty, I'm in Amazon. I just got the 23.35 call. I'm in at 19 bucks. I'm gonna have this as a tight trade here. I think we're gonna start climbing off that 10 there. If not, I'm gonna be looking at, and this could happen quick here, so I'm just telling you guys quick. 23.18. 23.15 would probably be my stop. There goes Amazon. It's now gonna break above that 10. Let's see if it breaks or if it fails at that 10 right here. I'm already up. Wow, I'm already up 500 bucks on the Amazon trade.
What's that, Expo?
Hold on here. Let's see if I could get. Yeah, she's still breaking out nicely here. Nice breakout on Amazon.
Coming up, the manufacturing came on April 36.5.
Details on it?
Expected.
Visa's climbing off that 10 right there. I'm watching Amazon. Let me put in the order status. There's the trade I just got on Amazon. Ooh, there goes Amazon breaking out now. There goes Amazon, guys. I'm up $1,000 on Amazon already. She's a mover. Look at Visa breaking out nicely there. Look at Visa go. Wow, Visa's breaking above support 177.11 now, continuing to break out. That's looking great there on Visa. Visa's still breaking out there. There's that next candle. That 1020 cross is coming up on Visa. Keep an eye on Visa there. It's already got that MACD that's crossed. That looks great. There's the MACD. Confirmation candle above the 1020 SMA. And there goes Visa there starting to take off. 1020 cross coming up on Visa. Watching Amazon here. I want to see that break that 10 for that next breakout momentum. It's at 23.30 a share on Amazon. There she goes starting to climb again. I want to see Amazon start to break off. There's the MACD cross on Amazon here. So let's watch and see if Amazon could break above that 10-day simple moving average and start that breakout here. Visa's still looking good. That 1020 cross coming up. I'm watching above here on Diamond and Qs. Diamond ETF, the Qs. I'm watching what's going on here. Let me unlink these two and put Q over here. And there we go. Today 1 minute, today 1 minute. If we're looking at day trades, we're watching a minute chart here. There's that 1020 cross now on Visa. Keep an eye on Visa. Look at that 1020 cross. You already had the MACD cross. And now you're looking at that breaking above 177.23 to look for that next breakout momentum cycle here with that phase. There goes Amazon now breaking above that 10, starting a big climb here. Let's see that candle double the previous candle here. I like that sign there. That's a very bullish sign. There goes Amazon again. There goes Amazon, 23.38, 23.39, starting a big breakout. We're back up $1,000 on the Amazon calls. There goes Visa. Visa's holding above that 10-day, just started the breakout momentum cycle and phase there. Amazon still climbing there at the highs, and there goes Visa. Visa's now breaking above resistance at 177.10 and starting that breakout. Amazon has got its first candle so far with the body above that 10. Let's look at that next confirmation candle for that entire body above that 10 SMA here on a today 1 minute chart for that continued breakout.
Shares getting hot here at Reliance Technology, PRNX.
Visa's got that 1020 cross. It's holding above that 10 now. You got to keep an eye on that. MACD already crossed on Visa, looking good. I'm watching Diamond chart over here. Let me pull up Diamond chart on here. This is the Dow, the Diamond ETF holding above that 10 right now. I want to see a break above that 20 and start to climb here. Amazon, here we go. Green candle above that 10. Let's see Amazon start to climb here for the day now. Would love to see Amazon get up to $2,400 a share by the end of the day. That would be really nice.
Facebook is still going.
Facebook is still going. Let's take a look at Facebook. Tech is taking off here. Facebook 206.17, 206.20. Nice breakout on Facebook there. I think Amazon's going to get that climb there. Wow, look at Facebook still continuing to run there. Let's see what the Qs are doing here. I like the SMAs converging here. The 1020 SMA on Amazon's converging. We got the MACD that's crossed. I want to see the big candle coming up here on Amazon.
Snap.
I want to see this right now. We're in a big trade here. There goes Amazon climbing again. I want to see it break that 20 SMA right here. There goes Qs. First candle above that 1020 SMA here on the Qs. MACD's already crossed on the Qs. Starting to climb. Let's see that green candle confirmation for the Qs on a today 1 minute chart with the day trade plan here. See if that could hold and start that breakout there. Amazon holding above 23.25. Climbing above that 10-day simple moving average on a today 1 minute chart. Getting up to that blue 20-day simple moving average on a today 1 minute chart. Let's see if it could break that. Have a green candle confirmation candle after that. And start that breakout here. Watching Amazon. Look at the Qs here. The Qs are just starting the breakout momentum cycle. Here comes the 10 crossing above the 20. Let's see if it can cross above it and get that confirmation candle for a confirmed breakout momentum cycle here on a day trade chart. Amazon still trading between that 1020 SMA, which is technically no trade zone. We're watching for that green candle breaking above 23.37. Qs, we're watching Qs closely here as well. Nice cross on the MACD. Just keeping an eye. Listen to the news, see what's going on. Facebook option alert. Bristol Myers. There goes Qs starting to climb. There goes Amazon here climbing. Let's see if we can keep that trend going here. We're up 5% on our Amazon calls right now.
Milestone Pharmaceuticals, spiking to $3.59. 11%.
What time is it? It's 9:50. We're 20 minutes into the day here. I think we're going to continue to climb off the lows. Dow's down 440 points. I think we might see continued climb off the lows today, or we might be pretty flat. We'll see what happens here in the next half hour. Let's see what else we got going on here. Snap, you said? Let's take a look at Snap quick. Snap 1020 cross. We got some resistance right around 1725. If we could break above 1725, we could have a nice breakout there. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily chart here on Snap. That's another one. I mean, look, had a nice breakout, retracing a little bit. It's climbing again. That one looks ready for another nice big breakout there. Keep your eye on Snap going forward here. Let's see, the trade room out of Visa, 90%. Nice job, Elias. Wow, you guys in the trade room took advantage of Visa there. Nice job, guys. Great job. Proud of you guys. Well done. Let's see here. What else we got going on? Let's see what Google's doing here. I think tech is going to... Oh, Google's having a nice run. Look at the 1020 cross on Google here. Nice run in tech. I think tech's going to continue to run today. So Google, it retraced a little bit here, not too much, 1341 a share, still in breakout momentum, still looking great here. I like that chart set up here on Google. Looking good there on Google. Qs, I want to see that 1020 cross here so we can see some tech start to take off, start to climb. Google still, it's retracing a little bit here on that breakout. Let's see it get down to 1337. Let me put this on a today 1 minute chart for you guys as well. Down 20% on Amazon right now. I'm watching that on the chart above here. 23.2047. Take a look at Google. Let's see if that gets down to 1337 and starts that climb. Q's over here, guys. Here's that first candle. I want to see what happens here. It's really important. That 1020 cross is coming up and might fail at this 20 SMA. Keep an eye on that. Let's see what we're going to do here. Because if Q's start to break down, good chance tech is going to break down here as well. As you can see, Q's are breaking down. You can see Google retracing here. But if we just get a candle here within the NTZ, within the 1020, and then we get a green candle here in the next minute or two, we'll be fine. So let's keep an eye on that, see what we're going to do there. Apple call sweeps coming in. Delta call sweeps coming in. Now look at what Google's doing. Google's climbing off that 10 we were just talking about. Let's see if we can hold that and get that confirmation candle after this one. Amazon 2316. Watching Amazon. I'm not liking that candle on Amazon right now.
Now at $12.53, getting some heavy volume now on CODX, Total Diagnostics. ERNX, Northern Technologies, now at 23 cents, up about 18%, continuing your company will be listed.
I'm watching Amazon above here. I got an order entry ready just in case I'm gonna sell. But I'm watching Amazon. It's only $9.55. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna sell or hold here. I'm watching the Qs. Seeing if Qs are going to hold support here, 214.75. Want to see that hold start to climb there. Google or Amazon starting to climb here from that low. Watching that. Let's see today. 1 minute.
And coronavirus, England's hospital death toll rising to 20,483. From coronavirus versus 20,137 the previous day.
There goes Amazon climbing. Big climb there.
Romeo Charlie Oscar November. Recline Technology hitting a high of $5.55, up about 45% at the high. Romeo Charlie Oscar November.
Now take a look here. Watch this. So you see Q starting to climb. You see Amazon now climbing here. Let me pull up the other Amazon chart. Amazon climbing from this candle right here, really nice. Take a look. See how Qs are climbing here now as well? So we got Amazon climbing, Qs are climbing. Now take a look at Google. Google on a today 1 minute chart. Take a look how it came down. It retraced down to that 10 SMA, starting to climb now. So let's see a breakout above that 10 and a confirmed candle after that. Qs, same thing. Still holding above that 20 right now. It's between the 20 and the 10 SMA right now. Here comes Amazon. Let's see Amazon break above 23.23 for a confirmed breakout. There goes Qs climbing above that 10.20. Sometimes trading can be stressful, but you just gotta watch there. Qs weren't breaking down too much. It wasn't breaking down below support at 214.75. There goes Amazon, 23.24. Let's see that continued breakout here. Want to see a breakout above that 10 and 20 SMA on Amazon, and with Qs over here, I want to watch and see that break above 215.60. That's what I'm watching for with Qs here. There goes Qs breaking out. We should see Amazon start to climb here as well. Qs are climbing nicely. We should see a candle above that 10 and 20 soon on Amazon if we could continue to see Qs climb here. Qs just got up to resistance basically. Let's see that break above that resistance and start that breakout momentum for the day here. Amazon's trying to get up to that 20. There she goes, 23.25. Let's see if she could break above that resistance now at that 20 SMA. We could see the breakout above that 20 SMA. We could see that 20 or that 10-day simple moving average start to cross. It's going to start to cross like that. And we'll have that 10-20 cross come up if we can continue this climb for about 3 more candles here. And now if we fail at this 10 and start to head lower, that would be concerning to me. Now, Qs over here, like I said, let's look for that climb above 215.62. We could climb above that. We should have a nice climb and breakout for the day here off the lows. If not, we're going to be heading lower. So it's really important to keep an eye on this here. We're not seeing too much act. You see how the Qs here for the past, really from let's say from 940 until now, we're still in kind of the NTZ here, just trading sideways, looking for that move here. And there's going to be some type of move that's going to either propel us higher or break us down here. So just keep an eye on that and keep an eye on what the Qs are doing. Nice spike there on Amazon. Let's watch Qs here. I want to see those Qs break above that 215.62. Start that breakout momentum. There we go. There goes Amazon. There goes Qs.
Minus 3.5% expected. ISM manufacturing PMI at 41.5. That's ahead of the 36.9 estimate. TBIO, Tango Bravo India Oscar, Evercore raising TBIO price target.
There we go. We're breaking out on Qs. There goes Qs. Nice breakout on the Qs. Looking good.
Nice, Mike.
There we go. There we go. Look at that spike here on Amazon. Look at that big breakout. There goes the Qs as well. There goes S&P futures getting a pop off that USA ISM manufacturing. Nice numbers came out there.
Yeah.
Let's see us continue to climb now for the day here, guys. Nice breakout on Amazon. Nice run here. Mike Francic, he said he's out of Visa at a 90% gain. Nice job, Mike. There goes Amazon, still continuing to run. Let's see it break above 23.35. There she goes, 23.34. There goes Qs again. Qs are running. There goes Amazon. Look at Amazon, 23.36. Nice big run. Guys, our Amazon trade's back in the green. We're now up $300 on Amazon after just being... I was just down $2,000 on Amazon. I was literally, you know... I'm like, oh my God, don't let the day start off like this.
Nope.
Now we got another big breakout. We're climbing. Look at the cues here. Just starting breakout momentum. I think we're going to climb nicely off the lows today. Wouldn't it be amazing if we ended the day green and this Amazon trade ends up making like 200-300%? That'd be amazing.
That would be amazing. Hey.
That'd be nice. Looking
It's
good, though.
looking
Let's see
like
that
it.
continued breakout momentum here. We just broke above resistance on the cues. I think we're going to continue to see the markets climb here. I like that. We just got the ISM manufacturing numbers out. It looks like that propelled us a couple of candles here higher. Here comes that 1020 cross on Amazon. Cues have already had that 1020 cross. It's in breakout momentum now, starting to climb. Let's see if we can keep this momentum going here.
Ocean Power Technology getting another spot pop here, 56 cents. OPTT 57 cents, now 26% on OPTT.
There goes Amazon again, guys. Another nice breakout on Amazon. Let's see that start to pop here. That would be amazing to see it climb there.
Facebook Visa still up and run. I know a couple of our members
Visa's
are
still running as well?
Visa. Gabe, Mike Francis,
Oh,
Medge
look
Live
at that
is
Visa
killing it.
chart
Oh, they're
on
killing
today,
it.
1 minute.
They're at 90%.
See how exactly
gains.
it's holding above that 10. Here comes a 1020 cross on Amazon.
are
Amazon
riding
still continuing
Visa.
to climb. 1845 by 20.50, continuing to climb on the bid and the ask there. Look at Visa, that 1020 cross holding that 10. We were watching that this morning. I should have jumped in that too.
They are killing that.
Our
trade.
members in the trade room, look
They
at
are
this.
killing Visa
Look at
right
this
now.
quick. Out of Visa for 90% gain. You know, there's some other ones that got in Visa too that are up huge. Out of Visa, 90%, another person.
Yeah.
Nice job, guys. I love seeing that.
Medge Live said he loves Fridays.
Oh,
We love
I know.
our Fridays
is
too.
great. Fridays is great. Look at Amazon breaking out there. Big breakout on Amazon.
Let's go Amazon.
What a climb there. Look at Amazon, guys. That's seriously a nice breakout on Amazon. Let's see it get up to 23.55. There's a 1020 cross. Amazon still on the climb there, guys. Still on the climb. Look at that breakout. Nice climb on Amazon. Still continuing to run. Look at that climb. Amazon still running. 1970 by 2190.
IMI, Bravo India, Michael India, Boki International, popping here now to highs.
20.80 by 22.
12.5%. Bravo India. Michael
Oh.
India.
Oh, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Nice run there on Amazon. Look at that run.
Oh. Let's see. if
Wow,
she
look
breaks
at that
this
run on
50.
Amazon.
Come on, break this 50. Break this 50. Break this 50.
If it gets up to that 50. Oh, my order just executed. I just got a notification.
You
I
got
just
out?
sold out of Amazon.
Out of Amazon. What was your percentage on that?
I sold Amazon $22.
At 22. Nice.
22.
19
It's
to
at
22.
20.85 by 23.80. They could still get it for better. They could get it for 23 right now. She's
You
still
can get
continuing
it.
to
You
climb.
can get
though.
Amazon.
She's still continuing to climb. I just locked in a $600 profit on that. What is it? Man, that was a hard half-hour
60%.
profit. You know, that was
60%.
huh?
60%.
16?
Yeah.
Nice.
Quick.
That's quick.
Quick.
And you know what though? That's probably still gonna have
She's
a
still
run.
going.
Yeah.
Would you
Oh my
re-enter
God! Look at
if
that,
she
still
breaks?
running. She's at 24 now. 24 ask.
If she breaks, would you jump in?
Yeah, of course. Oh, look at her still climbing here. She's at 24 now. 25. Man, so I made a quick $600 on that. That's what, a half hour? But that seemed like it took a lifetime. You know, that was a long trade. And you know that had me worried because we had a couple contracts in it. You know, there was what, $5,000 in that, and you know, I saw some of the members in the trade room getting into that. That's a larger trade. I was sweating a little bit. Look at Amazon breaking out. It's at 27 now. Oh man, I just missed out on
Jump
an extra
in. Why not?
$1,000
She broke the 50. That's key. When she breaks 50, what happens when she breaks 50?
She breaks 50. She might get back up to 24, 25,
That's a-
24, 50, but I can't see that happening. Look at that breakout though on Amazon. She's at 28 bucks now. I sold for 22. That's an extra. So I had 2 contracts. So if I sold at 22, it's at 28. That's $6 a contract difference. $6 multiplied by 100 shares of contract, $600 per contract. That's 1,200 bucks I just missed out on. 1,200 bucks I just missed out on for an extra 2 candles. Ah, that really gets you going. But that was a nice trade, though. You know, we made some profits there. Can't complain. But
Visa finding some support on the 20th. If there anybody that's on Visa, I know a few of our members are on there. If you're day trading it, now's the time to kind of look at it. If she falls below that 20, look to break out of that. Let's jump into a new trade. I see Facebook still running. Amazon is still running, broke over the 50. Qs are jumping high. Tech is super high right now. Apple.
You didn't post the trade room we got out of Amazon?
Out on Amazon.
Huh? No, you didn't.
Out on Amazon.
7% in 2020 as ABB.
That was a nice trade on Amazon. Now, if it retraces back down to that 10 and starts that climb again, I'm going to jump in for another day trade. Yeah, SPY always lags a little bit.
Oh, Microsoft.
I want to catch another run on freaking Amazon here. That was nice. So I was literally down about 2,000 bucks on that trade within 5 minutes of getting it. I'm like, you know, like, is that really how this is going to start off today? And then I was watching the Qs here, and this is important so you guys could see this. I was watching the Qs here. Let's take a look at the Qs here. So when I was looking at Amazon chart here, take a look at the Amazon today 1 minute. This is a great educational point right here. So when I got into Amazon, I'm not sure what time I got in. Let me see. I got in Amazon 9:43. We got out at 10:04. So that was a 21-minute trade. So a 21-minute trade here. We got in at 9:43. Here's where we got in Amazon, right here on this candle right here. So 9:43 over here. Here's where the Qs were, right? And I was just watching. I said, all right, if we break below that 214.65 area that I was talking about during that trade, I said if Qs break below that, I would exit the Amazon trade. But I saw the Qs were holding, even though Amazon pulled back a little bit below support over here. I saw Qs were strong. Qs were still climbing there, and especially when I saw this candle, that breakout here at 10 o'clock. And then I saw Amazon here at 10 o'clock. I knew we were going to get a nice spike. I held into that, and then we sold at 10:04. We sold right here at this 10:04 candle on Amazon, which was nice. I mean, it got a run for 2 more candles before retracing there. So that was a nice entry, nice exit on Amazon. I could have held for an extra 2 minutes for max profits, but we did a good job there. Nice trade.
Again, earlier reported that they received a bid from management to acquire the company for $2 per share. GSU went now $1.54, holding again on a circuit breaker. GSU went.
Netflix. Well, let me see what Netflix is doing.
Look at Amazon climbing off that 20 here again.
S&P futures pulling back here, 28.47.
Oh, look at Visa, that breakdown. Hey, guys, look at Visa. Part of the trade plan, when we're day trading, our signals are the 10 SMA and the 20 SMA. 10 SMA for a tight stop, 20 SMA for a little bit of room, but it's key support. And we were calling it. It was testing the 20 SMA. We called it 6 candles before that. Now it's breaking down at the 50.
Yeah, when you saw this candle right here at 10:04, you're like, you know,
we
she's
called
breaking
it
down. Yeah.
Yes, for day trading.
And we called that live, just like we called Amazon live. That's why it's important to follow the trade plan.
Trade plan. That's it. Trade plan. Trade plan works. It'll tell you how to day trade. It'll show you your exits, your entries.
Scott Harris says he's loving Moderna. Oh, Vasil Zakharova said he made 20% on Amazon in the YouTube live.
Nice.
What is that? Vasil Zaka. I don't know how to say that, but nice job, Vasil. Roxy UVXY was at 12%, back to 11 and under. Skyjack says he's still in Amazon. Ron Young says Walmart's moving. Let's see. Walmart's up a little bit today. Not happy with Walmart though. That one's hell with Walmart.
And wine over Bay Pharmaceuticals, highs now, 96 cents, a 4% on NBY.
Fresh and Healthy Meals got the Visa 190 calls when we were calling that out before. Did you lock in a nice profit on that trade there, Fresh and Healthy Meals?
NBID or NBID Eagle Therapeutics, hitting about $1.59, now 8%. Another Victor, Victor.
Dr. Michael Reber says, click that like button. I would appreciate that, guys. Click that like button and share this on social media. We just did a nice day trade here, and we're going to be looking for more. I think I might be live on the afternoon session an hour earlier today. Maybe at 1.
Let's do it. Oh,
You know?
you giving that gift to us?
Oh, yeah. I think we could find some good day trade setups
Yeah?
today. I really do.
I like it.
I do. And I'm in a good mood today, so
I
let's
think our
keep
pro-
it like that.
I think our pro traders will love that.
Pro traders are going to love that.
Free Friday gift.
An extra hour of
Extra
day
hour.
trading. We should do that on every Friday. Well, we'll see how it goes.
Friday Frenzy. We call it Friday Frenzy.
Friday day trading frenzy.
140% on Alpha Michael Tango X-Ray and MPX.
Oh, you got the May monthly expo. Medj, that's what we're talking about. Doing a live afternoon video an hour earlier. Diego says he jumped out for 70% gain.
Diego,
Nice
man,
job,
my man, Diego. Shout out to Diego.
Nice job there, Diego.
Learning
Diego's
the
out
trade
for
plan.
70% gain here.
Diego's a good story. I like Diego. Diego had a lot of issues with entries, exits. Now that he's really, really honing down on the trade plan, studying that day in and day out, seeing profits. Diego, how you doing this week?
Look at the trade room. I love hearing this. Look at that. We're sharing that. They want to go live an hour earlier. Sounds good to me. Look at Google starting to climb here as well. Let me put Google up over here. Now see, now on Visa,
Nice bounce.
just no, it's not. Look at what it's at there. Visa for the past 4 candles. What is it? Where is it at?
No trade.
That's consolidation. Now, if it breaks this 10 here, we're going to see a nice reversal, but we got no MACD cross yet. We got no cross above that 10 or 20 SMA on any of these candles. So it's patience, discipline if you're following Visa. You're not jumping in prematurely. You don't have that MACD cross yet. You don't have your first candle above that 10. So be patient. You know, have that audacity here to wait, watch the markets, and say, hey, I'm going to follow my plan. I'm going to be a disciplined trader, and I'm going to watch for the right entries and exits here. Look at Seth Garrett, $600 gain on Visa. That's a nice job. Look at that. $600 gain on Visa for Seth Garrett. Diego, what did you make on that trade you just closed out? You mind sharing with us? Medj Live says, well, you guys could read it there. I don't want to get banned from YouTube here for saying anything. Man, remember they freaking banned me for the coronavirus? Because I said markets are pulling back because of coronavirus. And YouTube messaged me, Google. They're like, you cannot talk about coronavirus or you're going to be demonetized and blocked from our platform. I'm like,
whatever.
Medj Live, I'm going to be looking for a few swing trades here coming up. Gio Felice says Friday trading frenzy hashtag.
Gio, what's up, man?
Mike-
We want to fly. When you coming up to Orlando? Gio's a pilot
Oh,
for
he's a
American
pilot?
Airlines.
Gio's a pilot for
Gio-
American
yeah.
Airlines?
Yeah.
Gio, I was just telling a friend here, I said I was going to get him a gift. I was going to get him a flight with my flight instructor.
He's a commercial pilot.
Mike Francic says he made $450 on Visa. Nice. We were going over that step by step. Nice job there. I got in a little bit more expensive trade on Amazon. You guys got in Visa. We were still going with them. That was nice. Nice, Diego. He said he has a small account. He jumped in with one contract for a $72 gain. Profits, profit.
Little by little.
Hey,
We love it, Diego. That's how you
Diego's
start.
new, but here's the thing. He's learning the trade plan. He's active with us. He's learning that trade plan. He's disciplined. He's following. He's doing well. Great job, Diego.
Yep.
Can't ask for anything else. Mike Anthiel says, great trade on Amazon. May I ask, did that follow the trade plan? Didn't see the SMA action. Mike, for day trades, I like to take profits along the way there when we're in breakout momentum. You know, I mean, I had a quick $600 gain on that trade for a, what did we say, 21-minute trade?
Mm-hmm.
Something like that. I mean, I can't complain about that.
For a slow recovery in a challenging summer, says largest share of its spending cuts will be in the Permian Basin. That's from the CEO Wood segment. Very Oscar.
Nice job on that trade, guys. Tenny said he made 67% on Visa.
Nice.
Nice. Gabe
Tenny.
averaged down on his trade. That's good. Bob Logan says Gilead CEO is now on CNBC. Hey, I got to give a shout out to Bob Logan for all the help he's been giving us in the trade room, in the Facebook groups. Bob Logan, I love you, buddy. Thank you for everything you've done. You know, I haven't had the time to say that, and I just want to tell you that on air today. Thank you, Bob. We got a really great team together in that trade room, don't we?
Bob,
We all
yep.
help each other out there, and if you guys are new to the service, if you don't know where to get started, our classes are opening back up now. We have everything we need, and we're going to be starting classes again this weekend. So if you need help, let us know. You know, if you're new and you're not sure where to start, message a friend here. He's going to get you helped. He's going to help you out, get you started, show you our schedule, our trade plan, and everything like that.
Yep.
Now there's Visa. Visa, first candle above that 10. So keep an eye, you know. See how we're being patient, watching the charts in the background here. We're chit-chatting, you know, making some conversation. That's what you got
Not
to do.
rushing.
Don't be watching and focus on that chart so intensely that you're a ticker. You know, you watch tick by tick and you know you're sweating it out. Don't do that.
Over trading.
Sit back here like this. You know, sit back here like this.
Take a second.
Sit
Let's
back here
relax.
like this.
Let's have a conversation.
Watch the charts here. Have a conversation.
Yep.
Find a couple of stocks. You know, we got 6 screens right here. I got 2 more screens here. Another computer here. 3 computers here and 2 in my Gucci bag. You know, we got a lot of computers, but you don't need them all. What you have to do is pick a couple of stocks, know the trade plan, know what you're looking for, your entries, your targets, your support, your resistance, your target profit areas, your target stop areas. Once you have those, find a couple of good movers if you're day trading. This is a strategy I give to all of our students. If you're day trading here, watch the charts. Find 4 or 5 good charts you like, all based on news. Nice thing about it, guys, we give our daily newsletter right here that you guys can print out every day. If Frank could show you guys that right there. We give this out every single day. We give our stocks to watch. We give our target changes. There you guys go. There's the daily newsletter. And show them the sections there where it says earnings, stocks to watch, target changes, top news. It's going to give you all that, guys. So you could take this newsletter every single day, and you could take this newsletter every single day. You could put up your charts here, find the top 5 charts, and do what we do. Now we're seeing Visa here break out. Visa's breaking above that 10. You see, I'm sitting here watching. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 charts pulled up right here. There's no need to go searching for more. You could watch your watch list, click on them, and they could be linked to any of your charts here. And you could just click a button, go down that watch list, and you can view 30 charts here in a matter of 10 seconds. So we're watching now. SMAs are clustering here on Amazon. Visa, it's got a candle above 10, but it's not breaking above resistance here. So as you can see right here, you got the first candle here above that 10, but it's not breaking above resistance. Resistance on Visa is going to be 177.68. If it can break above that, which is probably going to be right where that blue 20 SMA comes down to on a today 1-minute chart, if it breaks above that, it's a nice entry. You could be looking at 179 for a $1.31 move higher here. And $1.31, you could use that with your delta and figure out what you're looking for here on the option chain. So you can pull up the option chain, look here at Visa. Look at the option chain. If you're getting the May 1st and you're picking up the 177.50, that's going for $1.31. It has a delta of 0.507. So 0.507. Where did my things go? So 0.51. It's actually 0.51 now. So 0.51. Multiply that by stocks at 177.46. So that's another, let's say, $1.54 climb. So 0.51. Multiply that by 1.54. And you're looking at that increasing in 79 cents. So if that increases at 79 cents and it's at $1.30 right now, 0.79 plus 1.3, that's 2.09. 2.09, divide that by, what did we say, 1.3, and then you're looking at a quick 61% gain there on Visa, and if it gets up to 179. So that's what you're doing. You're calculating that. We just did that quick in what, 30 seconds or less?
Quick.
We just said, okay, if we picked up that 177.50 straight call, it has a delta of 0.51. It was going for 1.30. If it got up to that 179 here on the chart here, which is the next resistance area, major resistance, if it got up to that 179, that contract right here, that 177.50 straight call, is going to be worth about 60%, 61% if we got up to that 179 here and it had its breakout. So that's what you're doing. Each trade, you're saying, okay, if it gets up to that target resistance where I'm going to take profit, what am I looking at for this trade? All right, if I pick up the 177.50 for today's expo, that's going for $1.37 right now, has a bid of $1.29 and ask of $1.51. It's got a delta of 0.493. So 0.493, multiply that by your move that you're expecting here up to your next resistance on calls, down to your support if it's puts. So if you're buying puts, you're looking for that next support, lower. And then you're calculating the difference from where it's at now to where it's going to drop and multiply that by the delta, and then once you get that, you add that to the theoretical value or the price you paid, and then you divide that by what you paid. And that's going to give you your average there that you're looking for, your percentage gain if it drops down to that level or higher to that level. So it's very simple there to calculate each trade before you enter. It takes 30 seconds, and there's no way that you should be doing anything besides that on any of your trades. If you're a contractor, you're going to go to work without your nails or your hammer? No. When you're making a trade, you should know your damn stops and know your targets. And you got to do that. And then if you hit your target or your stop, and you're the type of person, and we're all like that, we all get like that. But if you're the type of person, one more candle, that one more candle, that's gonna end up killing you there. That's gonna devastate your account. So it's really important there to be disciplined, patient, follow that trade plan, but also know your targets, know your stops, and listen to that.
Exactly.
Now at the highs now, LND new high.
There goes Visa now. Visa's a good entry now. There she goes. She's going to break above what we got to look and see her break above, let's say, 177.72. Breaks above that. That's a good entry. You can be looking for that 179, 179.25. But keep an eye on that. Now let's take a look at what Amazon's doing. We got to take a look at what Carnival Cruise Line's doing. I'm watching that over here. Up above, here's Google. Here's the diamond. Here's the Qs. Facebook is over here. I don't like how that's linked there. Okay, Facebook daily, Facebook 1 minute. Look at Visa there breaking out. Now see how it broke that resistance, and now she's having a big climb on Visa there. And that's what you're looking for. It just broke that resistance, having a big climb there, 177.92. Continuing to run there, looking good. Roxy says, do you have a video on how you have your trading set up? I do. There's the 10-20 cross coming up on Visa. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily on Visa. See, that's looking good. I think that's going to have a nice move next week, Visa. Maybe I'll enter something into that by the end of today. Keep an eye on it. Keep a lookout.
RTTR, we're low price stock. Getting some volume.
Yeah, guys, people in the trade room are asking about our affiliate program, guys. Get signed up for our affiliate program. You guys could be making money while you refer your friends and family to us. Efrain's posting that affiliate program in the trade room right now. It's very easy to sign up, and you guys will make some money for each sign up you guys get us.
AMPX, Anita's making another move towards the high $1.38. Michael Tango X-ray, AMPX.
Trade to Freedom said he screwed up on Amazon. He was up nice, he didn't sell, now he's down on the trade. Gotta lock in those profits there. Now take a look at Amazon though. Amazon's looking like it wants to break out. I'm watching Amazon because if that starts to break out here, I'm going to be jumping back in. Because that could have a nice climb here back up to at least 23.45. Let's see if those option chains, those premiums pulled back a little bit here. They were pretty damn expensive before May 1st. Amazon. Let's take a look. Carnival Cruise Line starting to break out here. I like that move on Carnival Cruise Line actually. Let's see, 23.30, 30.3050, 23.50. That's expensive.
CMRX, Jameric hitting new highs now, $2.41. Charlie Michael Romeo X-ray.
I love that move on Amazon. You know, that could be quick gains there. Carnival Cruise Line, though, I'm watching Carnival Cruise Line over here. I'm watching Facebook. I'm watching Diamond and Google. I'm trying to find a good setup here. I like Amazon. Look at CCL here quick. Look at Visa go again. Did you guys get back in Visa when I just said that was a good entry? Remember, I said, guys, here it is.
And how? Out of the breakout, out of the no trade zone? Trading between the
Yep, trading between, and then it got that first candle above that 20. And then remember I said, here's the resistance right here on that 20. If you guys rewind it, I said, guys, a move above 177.70, and that's a good entry. It had that 1020 cross breaking higher. There goes Google now or Amazon. Let's see here. Do I want to jump in that? No, not yet. I want to see a candle above that 20 for Amazon for me to jump in. I'm looking at Google here up above 1337.66.
UAL, United Airlines, says that 737 MAX is on grounded company to take delivery of 16 aircraft this year, 24 next year. That's BA and UAL.
No, Eddie, I'm not in Amazon yet. If I make a trade, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm not in. All I made was that one trade so far. Here it is. There's the buy to open. There's the sell to open. We bought to open for 19. We sold for 22. 22. Divide that by 19. That was a 16% gain on that trade. That's all you need, you know. Quick 15 to 30% gains.
Smaller ones.
Yep.
AMZN, Amazon.
Tyler, what are you in, buddy?
Committee calls on Jeff Bezos to
Wait.
testify after Amazon reportedly misled Congress. That's in a statement now.
Oh, Amazon's probably going to tank here on that news. That might have a nice drop there. Bezos is going to have to testify against Congress. He misled people. Oh, look at it dropping. I just got in some puts on Amazon there, guys.
What was what did you get?
I got the 2320 put for today's expo. Yep.
2320.
Yep.
What price?
At 1990 I paid.
1990.
House
Today's
Judiciary
expo, right?
Panel wants to
Yeah.
know about Amazon's private label practices, calls for Bezos' testimony following journal investigation.
Oh, there's more stuff coming out on Bezos there. You guys hear that? I'm going to be looking. 2310 should be a good area here to take some profits. 2310. Now, see, I always have two orders next to me. One of them in case we drop, one of them in case we sell. There she goes. She's dropping there.
UAL says discussing with Boeing the timing of remaining 737 MAX deliveries after 2021 won't take any aircraft it doesn't need. That's BA and UAL. Shares of Boeing getting a pop here now, 139.03.
Markets
BA
are starting to
Boeing.
pop here. I might be out of this trade quick. There we go. She's pulling back again.
WTRH Trader Holdings getting a pop here to the high $1.47. Whiskey Tango Romeo Hotel. WTRH. Judiciary Panel says it wants to investigate possibly criminally false or perjurious statements by Amazon.
Wow, you hear
Wow.
that?
Any-
Wow.
on its business practices.
On its business practices. Wow.
Do you think that $4 billion being contributed?
I don't know. I'm not. I don't
that?
want to even talk
Right?
about that right now because I'm watching this trade here, and yeah, but yeah,
It's failing at
absolutely.
10.
These impacts that
Keeps failing at
It's
10.
failing at that 10, but it's such big moves at it, you know.
SIMT.
There she goes. She's dropping there. Look at that big drop there. 21. Wow. Look at that. 21 ask. She's still continuing lower there. Big breakdown at that 10 now. Big breakdown there. $19.50 by 20.80 as Amazon's continuing to lower here on that news. Back in the green on the Amazon put. That's big news, though. You know, once that hits the media, I just want to see what that's going to do to the stock here. Give it another 5 minutes. See what the news posts about it, you know. Let's see that candle there. Let's see that red candle. There we go. There we go. She's breaking down now. Let's see that. I want to see that candle below 23.15. Let's go. Let's go. Drop, drop, drop. Are they talking about Amazon yet on CNBC there?
They haven't received that news yet.
Still hasn't come out on CNBC yet.
We get it here first.
We definitely get it here first. There's that further breakdown here on Amazon coming.
AMTX and Adidas one highs now. $64 up 180%.
There she drops again. Come on. There we go. Let's see that drop.
Oh, Doc. Doc, did you see Pediton? Saw that break above 31.91 and how it took off? That key resistance. Wow. I hope you're in that. Tell me, Doc, you're in Pellington. Please tell me you're in there.
Executive says expects to take delivery of 8 or more 787-9 aircraft this year, 8 787-10 aircraft.
All right, I'm out of Amazon. 16 bucks.
BA.
First candle there above that 20. That was my. There you go. You see coming up there. 16.1. Let me see what it filled at. 16.10. She's now starting to drop lower again here. Let's see if she breaks below that 10.
Doc, please tell me you're on Peloton.
Doc, I didn't hear you on that one. No, I was in the Amazon.
You're in the Amazon
trade.
put. Yeah, that was all eyes, close watch. I was watching Peloton.
You were? Did you
Broke
get
that
it?
key. I didn't get it. I was just looking at it. He told me to look at it, and we saw some key resistance. Once it broke that key resistance, broke out.
Yeah.
And those are signals. Those are
What's
signals.
the symbol there?
PTON. He mentioned. Check it out. I'm gonna show you when he mentioned it.
Wow, look at that there. That was probably now. See, if it was me, I would say right at this candle right here.
Look at he first set it at 10:34ish.
10. See, I just have my. They're gonna see it. 10:35. I said with our trade plan, 10:35 is a perfect entry.
Amazing. And
I
now
was
you
at
get, look, it's
31.96.
taking off to the
It's
moon
at
now.
32.60 now.
Look at that.
Wow. Man, that Amazon trade really upset me. Those puts there. I still think she's going to go lower here. It's not breaking above that 50 just yet, but I didn't want to hold on to that one as I had a larger trade in it for a day trade. I said 20 was my stop on that. Once it hit that 20, I was out. There she goes. She's pulling back, retracing now again. Now she's back to 16 by 17. By 17.40. If it breaks below that 10 again, she's going to get back down to that 23.15. Dr. Reeves said he wanted Dave's blessing. Now he's afraid. Let's see. Wow, that's still looking good there. Now, see, if you look at the daily chart, this is looking good. I think a lot of people got that during coronavirus, too, didn't they? The Peloton?
Is there any news on there?
It has earnings on the 6th. So that might do well there. One of our members actually posted a picture. What's his name? He's another airline pilot. Andy
Tim Thomas?
Carr. No, Andy Carr. He posted. He said he just got some weights. He had to pay $1 a pound for the weights and the dumbbells.
Mm-hmm.
And he said he just paid like $150 for those weights, and he had to drive a half hour to get them because everywhere is sold out.
Really?
So if that's the sign, think of Peloton there. I mean, I really think that might be a good one to go for earnings, Doc.
Yeah, can we look at Boeing? See some resistance at 140.
3M. Let me take a look at our current trade here on 3M. That's holding that 10 right now. As long as she's holding that 10, if we get a green candle on Monday on 3M, I'm going to be adding and averaging down to my 3M trade that expires June 19th. Remember, that's a June 19th expo. You see what it did in 3 days here. In 3 days, it was at the high 3 days ago. Now it's at the lows of this breakout momentum in this retracement phase. So it's retracing. First candle below the previous candle's body is right here at 429. Retracing down to that 10. Looking for a green candle on Monday. If we get a green candle on Monday, I'm going to be adding to my 3M trade and averaging down a little bit. Carnival Cruise Lines. I brought that one up before earlier this morning. Remember? I said Carnival Cruise Lines starting to climb. Take a look at Carnival Cruise Lines now. It's well off the lows there. It came all the way down to about 1445. She's now at 1479, continuing to climb. There's that 1020 cross. Here's the first candle above the 1020 SMA, and then the first candle above the 1020-50 SMA. Confirmed breakout right here, 1464. Still breaking out here and climbing off that 10. Let's see what Amazon's doing. Oh my God. Amazon's continuing to break down again. I took that $1,000 loss on that Amazon put there for no reason.
The news? Yeah.
I should have held on to a little bit longer there, but it was
a lot of news breaks.
She's going to continue to drop there.
Nothing yet on Amazon. That's huge.
Look at that breakdown there on Amazon. Wow, 23.50. She's probably going to get to 2,300 by the end of the day. I might be doing another put on Amazon here. Look at that breakdown on Amazon. Did anyone keep that second trade on Amazon with those Amazon puts? Help John P. out there in the trade room, will you? Josh, what did you lock in there? On what?
Boeing.
Oh, Boeing.
On a
Nice
quick run
job,
that they
Josh.
had.
Oh, look at that. Vassal says, Vassal and Avilio, you guys are still in the Amazon puts? They're holding on to the Amazon put still.
GHSI, Guardian Health.
Matthew Young said his wife's Peloton's being delivered as we speak. That's funny. Google's starting to climb here on a today 1 minute chart. Look at Amazon continuing to break lower here. That's going to have a nice breakdown. Boom. There goes Amazon still breaking lower. Kurt said he lost $100 on the Amazon puts. Yeah, I lost a little bit too. I'm kicking myself in the butt here for not holding on to it. Market's starting to reverse here a little bit. Diamond's starting to break lower here. We might have the next run lower here on the market. I think I'm going to look at some of these Amazon puts once again. Let's see here. Let's see what the 2300 is going for right now. 2300. No, they're crazy expensive here. Yeah, I'll just pick up one contract here. Okay, I just got into an Amazon. I just got one contract. 2300 put, 12.50. I'll hold that for a little bit. It's a small trade, $1,250. I'll hold that for a little bit. Keep an eye on that. Look at Visa still breaking out there on a today 1 minute chart.
2300 Amazon put?
Yeah, that's what I said. 2300, May 1st, 12.50 we're in. Have a small trade on that. I'll hold on to it for a little bit here. Look at that Visa. Look at that big breakout on Visa.
Visa, let's go.
Wow. Who got back in on that Visa trade? Anyone?
Gabe. Gabe is on there.
Oh, Gabe's
swinging that one.
Yeah, he's swinging that one.
Gabe,
So
how
it's
you
not-
looking on that Visa trade?
That's not
I know
really
you
doing
have.
much though, because that's an intraday chart. He's looking for that big move over the next few days here. But a day trade, this is nice for day trading. Swing trading, not too much of a move there, but day trading, it's a nice quick 20% from the lows there in the bomb cycle. Roxy says AMC's down 9%. Vassal said he sold Amazon put with 7% gain.
7%.
Nice job.
Hey, add them up. Those add up.
You know, I wonder how they're doing is Ragu. Ragu said he had a big position yesterday in Amazon. He said in the trade room. You know, I didn't see him in the trade room today. I hope
Ragu,
he's
where you
all
at,
right.
Ragu? Probably counting his profits.
Oh, he had Amazon calls. A lot of Amazon calls.
Yeah.
He said he was loading up on. Actually, he didn't have calls. I think he had shares. He said that was his biggest trade. Ragu, are you still here with us? I think he was doing some condors too. He was trading for earnings. Our Amazon puts are now up 10%, guys. Amazon's breaking lower here. Up, wow, now up $150 on the Amazon puts. I only got the. Wow, now up 200. Look at Amazon breaking down. Look at
Anybody
that
jumping to
breakdown
Amazon
on
puts?
Amazon. Damn,
The
I wish
new
I
one?
held on to those puts before.
Anybody in the new
I'd be
one?
up about $4,000 if I held on to that because I had $6,000 in it.
Anybody in Amazon puts? Visa, look at Visa go.
Visa's
Let's
still
go.
climbing. Visa's climbing. Amazon's breaking down. Been calling it. Look at Visa still running there.
Ragu, your new name is King Iron Condor. Ragu just responded.
And he didn't say anything about the hedge yesterday, did he? No.
FRN, Francesca's Holdings, slightly behind, $1.97.
Amazon's still breaking lower there, up 8% on our Amazon puts, 9% on, 11% on Amazon puts, 13%. That was a big breakdown there on that wick.
Oh, Amazon continue to break down.
Are they talking about it yet? Larry Culp, General Electric Chairman and
GE.
CEO. Look at that now, up 15%, 16% on the Amazon puts. I don't even watch the
Go
chart
Visa.
sometimes. Sometimes I just watch the percentages add up. Oh wow, 23%, 25, 30% gain on Amazon puts.
Wow, look at that big drop. 2303 low of the day.
Nice, isn't it?
Low of
I
the
wish
day.
I got those. I wish I held on to those puts before, man. Wow, I'd be up a ton. Wow, 35% gain now on the Amazon puts. Little pop there. She's going to continue lower there. That's a big BDM coming. Visa's having a little trouble there with resistance right at that 179 area. See if we can break that. Amazon puts are up 23%,
Let's go Visa.
25%. Are you
we
in
got
Visa?
some members. I'm in Visa.
Nice. What'd you get, a day trade?
Day trade.
Nice. How much you up on it?
Visa. I am up almost $300.
Nice.
Small little day trade.
Nice little day trade there. That's nice. Who
Yeah.
else got on with you? Anyone else?
Tyler's in with me.
Tyler?
Eddie's in with me.
Nice guys.
Let's see. Eddie Santos just got in.
Eddie Santos.
Andrew Richardson is in.
What are you in, calls?
Calls.
I'd be watching that there. It's in consolidation now. If it fails to break above that 179, I'd lock in profits, move on. Visa just turned green though a little bit there. She's retracing now back down to that 10. Let's see Amazon break lower here. Wow, today went by so quick.
It's
Damn,
going-
already 11 o'clock. Didn't it go by? I
It
think
went
us being
super
more
fast.
active and stuff, the time really goes by.
Yeah. Visa. Gabe, are you on delay?
Yeah, he's got a 2 minute
Must be
delay.
busy with the mortars, huh?
Look at Amazon, 20% gain on the Amazon puts, 22% gain. She's continuing that BDM here. I'm going to look for probably about a 40% gain on that. Lock in profits at around 40%. There we go, 30%. Big drop here on Amazon, 30%, 32%.
Amazon is still breaking down.
Oh, look at that breakdown. Wow.
And guys, if anybody did get into Peloton and you were following the trade plan, you would have seen the breakdown, the break below that 10 to get out. That super tight spot. Now it just broke the 20 as well. So anybody in Peloton. If Visa breaks 179, oh, let's go. 179. 179.
There she goes.
Here we go, Visa. Let's go, Visa. Oh, Vilio, 1K on Amazon put. Sweet, man. Sweet. Vilio's having a good week, huh? Eddie, nice job. Quick $100. That was what? Let me see when you got in.
I'm on of Amazon, guys.
Amazon
I just
puts
sold
out.
Amazon out.
At what?
$13.
Amazon puts 5
Now
minutes
at
ago.
$14.40 though, you know, you guys get a better price since you're on delay right now, so Made a profit, but not too much. Did you lock in Visa too?
Not yet.
They're locking in Visa. How much you up on it now? That was a nice run there it had.
It is breaking down a little bit now.
No, she's breaking out
No,
again
she's
now.
up. Yeah, I'm staying in.
Yeah?
Excellent.
Is it a day trade or is
Day
it?
trade. It's a day trade.
Oh, nice. You
Nice.
got some.
Yeah. Following the trade plan. It's breaking
Wow, look at
resistance
it.
here.
It's breaking out again. Yep, it's breaking resistance. Oh my God! Look at that candle there.
Oh man.
RCON,
179.25.
Doc is in Visa as well.
Visa and what Peloton? Look at that. 179.27.
Oh, 179.
29. 30.
Tyler, why'd you give
32. 39. Look at
Let's
that candle.
go.
What candle did you get it on? Wow, look at that breakout there.
No idea where it's at. It was right when we were micromanaging it between the SMA, and it broke out at 10:25. 10:25.
10.25.
We were talking about that.
You got, oh, that's when you got in, right when I was
Exactly
talking
what-
about
yeah,
it? Oh
yeah.
my God, you got it
Yeah.
perfect timing.
That nice little wedge.
Wow, look
Right
at it,
between the
still
SMA
breaking
and the
out.
break.
What's the percentage gain on that?
I don't know.
So they could see.
On this one.
Because that's right at the
I got
10.20
in.
cross.
Where? I'm in at 155.
You're in at 155. What's the current price?
243.
243?
Yep.
It's not higher now? Look at, oh my God, look at that breakout. You must be up. Oh my God, look at that.
256. Wow. Wow.
What's it at now?
256.
256?
I got in at 155. Good job, Tyler. Hey, you got out right
That's
when it was
a
still freaking.
65% gain you got right
Easy.
now.
We
60,
walk-
I
we're
would
walking
lock
through.
that in. You're
We're
not
walking
locking
through.
that in? She's going to retrace here.
Yeah, let me lock. You know what? Let me lock
Yeah,
in.
66% gain.
Let me lock in.
Oh, Amazon's making new lows. Should have held into that longer. Starting to climb a little bit there, Visa again. Did you sell it?
I tried to put an order for 240. It's dropping now.
Oh, she's climbing. There she goes.
Showing back in.
Did it sell?
No. 247. Sold. Yeah.
You sold it?
Yeah.
What'd you sell it for?
I sold it at 247. 155.
2.47. So let's see, 2.47, divide that by 1.5. You just made a 60% gain on that.
And we were live.
Nice job.
Live.
You should have called that out.
Live.
Nice,
Oh,
bro.
a couple of our members were jumped in as well
Yeah.
too with it.
Nice. Alrighty, guys. I guess that's a perfect way to end the day. We made some nice trades. We made a couple good day trades here.
Day
We're going to
trading
be
at its
going
finest.
live again, I think, earlier today.
I
You
think
know?
the people want it.
Yeah, I think we're going to do that. I'm going to get in the trade room now, guys. We're going to get some things ready. Look at Amazon breaking lower now.
Don't look at Amazon. You're gonna-
look
you're
at
gonna
that.
get
Look at that breakdown.
Skyjack, $300 on Amazon puts. Hey, if you guys are still in Amazon puts, I would still stay in there unless I see a candle above that 10. The trade plan of candle above that 10 SMA with the Amazon puts is your first exit. Keep it tight, get out of there, and live another trade.
Yep.
Visa's breaking down right now. Sold right at the top of
Look
that.
at all the members here. Josh Wakao made $120 on Visa day trade in and out. Tyler C, and I'm up $650 between V on the two Visa trades. Andrew Richardson, 55% gain on Visa. John BCA holding Visa, hoping it helps my Walmart loss. Tyler, if I wouldn't gotten Visa prematurely the second time, I would have done way better. Skyjack, quick $300 profits on Amazon puts. Shen, okay. Tyler, got out of Visa, perfect
Nice,
timing.
Shen.
Yeah, and we did. Out of Visa for 20% gain, says Shen. Shen says he's in and out of Amazon puts for 60% gain. Man, he did better than me. You did better than me, Shen. Good job. Virtual high five there, bro.
High five, Shen.
Man, 60%. I had $6,000. If I had a 60% gain, my day'd be lit right now.
Dave, we got calls. We got puts. The market looks crappy. With our trade plan, you could trade
any type of market,
any type of market,
any type of cycle.
And these are familiar stocks.
Yeah, we trade the best of breed all the time. That's all you should be focused on.
Great job, Karen. Up $654 on both Amazon and Visa. Oh, she got
look
both.
At that.
You were looking at both. Calls and puts.
Andrew Richardson said 60% gain on Q puts. Karen Decker up $654 on both Amazon and Visa. Shen says high five. Nice job, 60%. Amazon was my baby today, but she let me down on that one trade there. That big trade I made with the 4 contracts for about $6,000.
Don't look at Amazon. Don't look at Amazon.
Oh my God! Look at that drop. Oh, look at Visa breaking out again off that 20 SMA right now. Amazon still dropping lower here. That might be down 10% by the end of today.
22.
Alrighty, guys, we're going to get off of here now. We're going to get back to the website in the trade room. And if you guys need any help, Efrain's going to be in the trade room there to help you guys right now. And he's also going to go over some setups with you guys, show you guys what's going on. And we're going to get ready to go live again in the afternoon. Alrighty, guys, take care. Have a great day. God bless. And I will see you guys shortly. Great job today, guys. See you later.
Great job, guys. See you guys.
Guys, if you want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Come sign up. Talk to you guys later.